Hey there, problem solver! Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve their dreams effortlessly while others struggle? The answer often lies in one simple yet powerful practice: goal setting. Goal setting isn't just about writing down a list of wishes or desires. It's a methodical process that involves clarity, commitment, and a dash of creativity. When done correctly, it can turn the most distant dreams into a tangible reality. So how does one set effective goals? It's a 5-step process that anyone can master. Step 1. Define your goals. It might sound simple, but defining your goals is the most crucial step in the goal-setting process. It's about identifying what you truly want to achieve. Be specific and clear. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," define what success means to you. Is it running your own business? Or perhaps it's being able to travel the world. The more specific you are, the better. Step 2. Break down your goals. Large goals can be overwhelming. Breaking them down into smaller, manageable tasks can make them seem less daunting. If your goal is to write a book, break it down into chapters, or even pages. Each small victory brings you one step closer to your larger goal. Step 3. Set a timeline. A goal without a timeline is just a dream. By setting a timeline, you create a sense of urgency. It becomes less of a "I'll do it someday" and more of a "I'll do it by this date." Step 4. Monitor your progress. It's important to keep track of how you're doing. Are you on track to meet your timeline? If not, what's holding you back? Regular monitoring can help identify obstacles and make necessary adjustments. Step 5. Celebrate your achievements. Every time you achieve a small goal, take the time to celebrate. It could be as simple as treating yourself to a cup of coffee, or as grand as a holiday trip. Celebrating your achievements not only makes the journey enjoyable, but also motivates you to reach for bigger goals. To summarize, goal setting is a powerful tool that can help turn dreams into reality. It involves defining your goals, breaking them down into smaller tasks, setting a timeline, monitoring progress, and celebrating achievements. It's a process that requires commitment and perseverance, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start setting your goals today, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to achieving your dreams. Go ahead, dream big, set your goals, and watch as you turn the impossible into the possible.